feels so good to be back. Oh, that is so beautiful, guys.
It's funny how it all played out. Broken dreams seldom get realized. For me,
Come on, little baby.
part of life that escaped and left me outside.
I made a big life change. My travels used to be surrounded around me chasing the sun. And it's like when I came to Minnesota, I knew I was in Adventureland. I knew I was soaking up the rays, but it was like I also knew that the winter was happening, and I also knew that if I wanted to keep living and experiencing this nomadic lifestyle that pushed me to my limits, I needed to get out of my comfort zone. I needed to take a risk. And Minnesota gave me all of that. When I first came to Minnesota 6 months ago, I told myself I would stay 1 month, 2 months. It got extended to 3 to 4. And now it's 2022, and I'm ready to experience my first Minnesotan winter. It's like sometimes you fall in love in the most unexpected places. And now, I did not fall in love with the person, I fell in love with this place. Okay. Hello, people. It is, I think, 0 degrees currently outside, which is why I'm very bundled up, because I realized that it snowed a lot yesterday, and that means that my car is covered in snow, and I have not driven my car since being back in Minnesota, so that's what I'm gonna go do. And it's actually a beautiful time right now. Sorry if you can hear all my footsteps, because it's sunset hour right now, and oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Okay, this is coming back on. I need it. Okay, what is underneath this big pile of snow? Wow. Snow in Minnesota does not joke around. One half done. Hey guys, so I'm currently in my car. I just finished cleaning my car after 3 months. Well, my eyelashes were starting to freeze, and like I can literally feel the wet droplets. My eyelashes are literally melting right now. It's gonna work, it's gonna work. Yeah. Oh yeah, thank you so much. And when I finally wasn't dealing with the survival of my car, it was time for adventure.
Find me one day. Oh,
Just Minnesota things.
heading my way.
I am walking up the snow and Lake Superior behind me.
I'm ready to go back.
Let's do it. It's snowing. Let's see if the chickadees come. Ah! Oh wait! It's bird time. Oh, it's on the camera. Wait.
Bird time.
It is bird time.
This.
I don't have any seats though.
But they'll come. Maybe.
Oh, it's on the camera. That was good. Chickadee landing.
Nice.
Minnesota's North Shore has got me addicted to the snow, to the people, and well, who knows how long I'll stay here, but I'm sure in it for the ride.